I think, a week and a half. Hopefully I edit this video tomorrow. But I am going on a very exciting trip this week. I leave in 3 days, so it's Monday, I leave Thursday. And I'm going on my first ski trip since I was probably 12. I believe that's the last time I went skiing. And I'm super excited. I'm going with a bunch of my friends back from college, and I'm gonna bring you guys along on that adventure. But I thought I would do a pack with me video because I honestly love watching these. And I find it really helpful to see how people pack like efficiently. And I would say I'm a pretty efficient packer as well. I actually am going to try to pack in just a moment. My carry-on. My face for reference size. So I have this thing where I hate checking bags just because I'm terrified of them getting lost and then I have absolutely nothing to wear when I get there. So essentially I'm going to try to get everything in this bag and we will see how it goes. I'm gonna also use this. Oh. This is my carry-on. It currently has all my shoes, but I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm putting in here. But I figure I will insert clips now of the outfits I'm bringing. So I realized that I don't actually need to bring that much stuff because we're going to be skiing for 3 of the 5 days that we're there. So during the day, we'll just be in our ski outfits, and which I will insert here. It's not going to be next to me. It's going to be on top of this sound. But I originally had 2 ski outfits. These pants were one of them. Oop. I was super excited because they arrived today, and I was like, yes, I'm going to have red ski pants. And they're super cute. But unfortunately, I got them off of Poshmark and they're just a little bit small, so I won't be bringing these with me, but I do plan on going on more ski trips now that I live in cold weather again. So yeah, so essentially these are not coming, so I only have 1 pair of ski pants to bring. It's a ski bib. So I'm actually kind of happy about that because I think with these pants I wouldn't have been able to fit everything in a carry-on. And you can also see all of my clothes are sitting here. Out here, I'll scooch it. So that's basically everything I'm bringing. So we're gonna see if it fits. So let's get into the video, and I'm gonna show you how I pack. All right, so this is everything I am packing. Other than those are not coming with me, but I don't know where to put them. But basically I'll go through everything. So I have beanies, my goggles, wool socks, headbands, gaiters, gloves, zip ups, long sleeves, a bathing suit because I think we're going to go to a hot tub. Those are just spandex, and then this is my ski outfit. So I have a top, and then my bib, and then I'll probably also wear those, mix and match. We'll see what happens. And then these are 2 tops to go with the pants I'm bringing in my airport outfit. I always try to bring less pants than tops and try to mix and match outfits. And then those pants are going with my airport top, just like a nice casual lounge outfit. And then just some leggings with some casual tops. And then these are my 4 going out outfits because we're going to have 4 nights there. So I have a blazer that I can also throw on with other things, probably with that outfit. And then, yeah, so just some mixing and matching things. And then I'm going to bring 1 scarf, and it's like a dual-sided scarf. So one side it's red and black, and then one side it's this black and white houndstooth. So I tried to keep it neutral. And then the shoes are very neutral. 3 black and 1 gray pair of boots. Those are my thigh highs, which surprisingly don't take up that much space. These I'll be wearing on the plane since they do take up a lot of space. And then these three, I guess, are my like going out shoes. And then these are my casual snow boots. And then they're all hopefully gonna fit in here. I haven't decided. I wanna bring this fuzzy sweater set for PJs, but it does take up a lot of room. So I'm gonna decide on that later. Say hi to my ring light. Just didn't feel like moving it. Also I was doing yoga earlier so that I can be prepared for how sore I'm gonna be skiing. But yes, so I'm gonna pack everything else basically in here. And then if this fits, if it fits, then it ships. If it fits, then it's going. If it does not fit, then I'll probably just bring a nightgown or something like that. But I'm going to put all of my shoes in here. Because this is my carry-on, this is my carry-on. This is my personal item. And then I'm also going to bring this bag. So everything in the world is on here. So I think I'm also going to bring this bag. So I'm going to have it, make sure it fits in my personal item. Because it has all of my essentials. It has a book. It has a charging port, which I'm probably going to have to recharge. It has wipes. I don't even know what else I put in here. Hand sanitizer. Yeah. So there's that. And then I'm probably also going to fit one of my small black purses in there as my going out bag. So that'll be good. But I'm going to do a little time lapse and we'll see how everything fits. I'll also show you how a lot of people do packing cubes. I do the rolling method and I think it's great. So this is personally what works for me. Hopefully it works this time. Otherwise, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm going to just have to pay for a checked bag. I don't know. Waiting and everything. I know all my friends are checking bags, but I'd rather be able to just like go to the food court and grab some food and wait for them. Just sit down, relax while I have all of my baggage. But we're going to see. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so as you can see, I fit everything in my carry-on and my personal item, and it's a bit stuffed. So we'll see. But carry-on or personal items don't technically have to close, so we'll see. But I'm glad that this fits because that means I can put. It's like not overly stuffed right now, so I can put like any little things I need. And then as you saw, my toiletry kit fit in there. I obviously have to add bras and underwear and PJs since clearly the fuzzy set is not gonna fit. But I'm probably just gonna do a simple nightgown. That'll be comfy enough. This is gonna be a crazy angle. You guys probably saw my trick for my carry-on. I always put my socks inside of my shoes and that saves so much space. So I just have to put underwear and bras here and they should fit pretty seamlessly. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm really excited to continue this journey with you guys. And thank you so much for watching, if you've gotten this far. Thank you so much for watching my other videos, if you've watched my other videos. If not, go watch them. Let me know what you think. You guys have been so supportive in the comments, and I honestly love doing this, and it's so much fun editing, and it's been a little bit stressful with work, but again, it's slowing down, and I'm just really excited to put more effort into being consistent, into getting consistent with this channel, and making content that you really like. So if you want anything specific, let me know. I will work on it for you. If you want anything with like fashion, with, I don't know, shopping for decor, home decor, anything, just let me know in the comments and I will do my best to get it to you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I've really loved doing this little pack with me, and I will see you guys for Vlogmas Day 1.